I'm Chief Meteorologist Mike Everett. Lots of questions about New Year's Eve, and I've got some answers for you, especially if you are planning on attending New Year's at the Needle, whether you're watching it on King or whether you're planning on heading downtown on your own. Looks like it could be a bit on the rainy side here, and it's going to be a bit cool out there as well. So if you're planning on spending any prolonged time out there, make sure you bundle up. Now, there is the potential for some light rain and some light wind. It looks like there could be some steadier rain, or it could taper off at midnight. I'll tell you why in just a moment here. And then it looks like there will also be rain around that as well. So here's how it plays out. I'm taking a look at the forecast models, and this is the latest high resolution model. This is what we use to kind of fine tune things when it's about 24 hours out. We're going to see some clearing overnight Monday into Tuesday. The final day of 2024 will start off on a foggy note, especially down towards South Sound. It'll be fairly dense. Off towards the coast, not so much, and even up towards the north, it could actually be kind of clear. Now, clear equals cool, so those overnight temperatures will be in the 30s. As we progress into the afternoon, this is around 1 p.m. on Tuesday, cloud cover becomes more widespread, and then showers start to push in along the coast. So this is right around 4:30. We'll start to see those touching in places in Westport. Snow starts to fire up over top of the Olympics again. Go to right around the dinner hour. This is 7 p.m. You start to see some of those showers firing up in King County, definitely across the southwest interior down towards Olympia, Tacoma, Chehalis, and all the way out towards the coast and the Olympic Peninsula. Rain will be fairly steady. 10 p.m. it makes that curve around the base of the Olympics, and now we'll see widespread rain up the Kitsap Peninsula and the I-5 corridor and all the way down to the Oregon state line. Now here's where it gets tricky. This is right around midnight, and you're seeing what I'm seeing. Rain will be steady over top of the Kitsap Peninsula down towards Olympia and Pierce County, but there's a little possibility. There's one very slight chance that we could see it taper off. It'd be kind of a New Year's miracle if we could just get that rain to turn off right at midnight, just in time to see the lights and the fireworks there. And then we're going to see another round of rain that will continue to push in. So if you're doing some late night reveling, rain will become steadier over top of Seattle, King County, and to a lesser extent down towards Pierce County. Out towards the coast, things will start to clear. We've been getting some questions about the possibility of seeing the northern lights. There's going to be another fantastic geomagnetic storm, but again, you're seeing what I'm seeing. There is a possibility of some clearing along the coast, but clouds off towards the north will probably inhibit your view. And many times we're telling you we'll head off towards the eastern portion of the state where it'll be clear. It will not be clear. There's going to be widespread cloud cover, and there's going to be snow. In fact, there's going to be winter weather advisories in place out towards Wenatchee and Yakima. Oh, and yeah, we'll be snowing steadily up in the passes, so please do be very careful if you have some travel plans. Here's the great news. This is the first day of 2025, and once the system clears out of here, we'll see some snow that will continue to push up into near Stevens Pass, but otherwise it's going to start to clear over top of the Olympics. We could actually see some sunshine on the first day of the year, and it looks like it's going to stick around as well. As we go towards Wednesday night, if there is still any possibility of seeing the northern lights, it'll be obscured again as that cloud cover starts to push in yet once again. So again, we're going to start off on a relatively dry and possibly light note for 2025. That bodes well for the year. 7-day forecast shows us rounding out 2024 on a wet note, but we start 2025 on a bright note. Have a safe, happy, and healthy new year, and get home safe.